Yep. What's good, guys? It's your boy Jammers here, man. Checking in with another video, man. What's goody? Yep. I know y'all been missing me, man, but I'm chilling, man. You know, working and shit. Off today, though, but trying to see what can I bring to y'all today. Got this shit on. My hair's a mess right now. Let me see. Let's see what my hair looking like. Oh man, it's a mess right now, guys. Damn, sun beaming too. As you can see, man, we all here. Here's a mess right now. I'm thinking about go getting it done. Hopefully that's what my vlog could be about today. Go getting my hair done. Psst. Just the vibes, you know. Let's see what we get into. God damn. How y'all been though, man? Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. And check out the link in the description too, man. Like, yeah. I'm gonna drop a link in the description, so make sure you guys check that out. And I'm also working on a new project. A new intro, I could say, for the Blessed by Many. I'm gonna show it to y'all in the clip in this video, so stay tuned, keep watching this video. It's a lot of shit, and yeah, coming to you. Yeah, man, so make sure, guys. Yeah, but yeah, man, it's good. I'm about to get on here and see. I just pull up at the park just to get some little fresh air, you know. But you see these gears, the link gonna be in the description if you want to get a sweater, all of that. Make sure you click that link. Yeah, man. But yeah, guys, don't forget, like, subscribe. Got more shit coming in. Stay tuned. So for y'all who want to see, man, it's on the inside of the car, you know. We out here. But yeah. Yeah, chill, man. Carbon fiber, all that. Yeah.
YouTube channel right now. Subscribe. Run it again. You know the thing go. A dancer gorilla represent for Blessed by Many YouTube channel. You know the thing go. When you do the right thing, like, share and comment. Subscribe.
Dub session, dub. Blessed by Many, big up yourself.
Blessed by Many, you aren't clean. Subscribe to the channel if you aren't clean. Yeah. Energy right and the love is real, so you can look like an offering. Blessed by Many, you aren't clean. Subscribe to the channel if you aren't clean.
Subscribe, Blessed by Many, you know the thing go.
Energy right and the love is real, so you can look like an offering. Yeah. Chilling out, upload a video. Anywhere you go, got some lyrics spitting out. In the mean, the man, the man, take a get it out. Never go out with no bugger man in your circle now. Step on the compound, take a photo. Don't judge me after this knock out us. Papa, poo! Call it papa. Chatty, more goons, them are Blessed by Many, yeah, your heart clean. Subscribe to the channel if your heart clean. Yeah,
YouTube, so, you know the thing, no? And they do the right thing. Blessed by Many. Dancer gorilla represent. Do the right thing. Now. Subscribe. Now. Right now. Now.
Yeah, guys, so yeah, I'm back and you can see, man, I'm on the road. Yeah, I'm about to try to see if I could go get my hair done. You know, and you know, with the day, might show y'all some food too. I said, that shit. Show y'all some food. But yeah. We on the road, man. This giant driving good and shit too, man. I'm thinking about selling it or just, man, I don't know. Or just keeping it, but it's about to start snowing. Look at these motherfuckers. But yeah, I'm thinking about selling it. Or doing a raffle with it fixing it up and doing a raffle. Get me? I don't know, man. Trying to see if I could put a shaker, the 392 shaker in this joint. Y'all think so? Let me know. I think I could put a 392 shaker in this joint. Let me know. Damn, are y'all seeing me clearly? But yeah, man, let me know what y'all think about this content right here coming to y'all. I see a lot of YouTubers going on YouTube just doing, I guess, driving around talking and shit. But I'm about to give y'all some content, man. I ain't about to bring y'all in no stress or no depression, but I'm about to see if I could turn up and give y'all some lively shit. You get me? You ain't about to be complaining or worrying about people and their problems, you know. Just living life. Working, make sure you just work and keep yourself busy, people. Here, don't worry about all that other shit. Just keep grinding, man. The grind don't stop. All that other shit can stop, but the grind don't stop. Just keep going. You hear me? So that's the motive. So stay on top of your game and keep hustling. Don't give a fuck what people say, man. Like, that shit don't get to you. Get this money. That's what get to you. You hear me? And yeah, people. But we focus, trying to do right. Not worrying about nobody. You hear me? Anyway, let's go. So, as I say, I'm about to go get my hair done. And you know, we in the old school. Not the new one. They trying to go electric, but we trying to go old school. That's what it comes to. Fuck it. We against the rules. But according to gas prices, we ain't even worried about that shit. You get me? You could stay there 30 minutes trying to charge your car. Niggas be trying to get gas and go. Get gas and go. Just like the weed. Yep. Make sure you like, subscribe to my channel, man. I don't know. I'm about to bring y'all all type of content, different content though, not this shit that niggas be on. But I'm bringing y'all different shit. You hear me? Shout out to the niggas them that's really inspiring out there. You hear me? And not fucking bringing YouTube into their depression and shit. Like, get the fuck off the TV or something. But yeah. We out here, man. Get this money. And I'm about to drive. Open up back the studio, man. Fuck it. We about to turn up, man. Coming hard for the rest of the year and the year to come. Yeah. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Trying to find some car shows, but as I can see, man, I'm always by myself. Everybody basically probably working too and doing their own thing. I don't really keep tab on nobody, man. Like, that's not my job, but yeah. So make sure y'all like, subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned in. Y'all might not see me on social media much, but the YouTube, y'all could just watch it, man. It's memories. Yeah, me keep it going. Yep. And these ticket people everywhere. Trying not to get no more tickets too, guys. Like, goddamn. Running from the law. It's crazy out here. There's still construction going on. Wonder if when it gets to winter time, all this construction shit about to stop. Cause man, I need to free up the fucking road. Free up the road now. Your road work ain't doing shit but making the road more worse. God damn. There's so much shit going on. But yeah, guys, make sure you like, subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna check back in with y'all hopefully when I get to the spot. Alright. Yep, guys. Hope you could hear me now, man. Yeah, as you can see, I couldn't get my hair done, but yeah, shorty mad at me, man. I don't know what I did to her, but I'll figure it out, man. But yeah, guys. Oh shit. Yeah, I couldn't get my hair done. Shit fucked up. I'm not even begging, I'm paying to get my hair done and this shit. Ah, it's all good. But yeah. Chop it up on y'all today. If you're liking this view right here, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That's right. Yo, cheer, man. Just cruising down through the city. I need to go get some gas in my tank soon. That's another thing. But I'm about to cook. That's what I'm about to do, man. I'm about to cook some food, man. Go home, take my ass home and cook some food, guys. Think I'm about to make some shrimp and scallop. Yeah, shrimp and scallop pasta. Yeah, shrimp and scallop pasta, man. Hopefully I'll show y'all what's up. I'm gonna do that today for y'all. Give y'all a little cooking channel thing. But yeah. I'm gonna tune in back with y'all though. See that view? Good investment, yo. It's a good investment. But I'm ready to sell it. Get something different for the winter, man. Cause the snow about to kick in. Once that snow kick in, ain't no more top dropping. I'm gonna tune in with y'all, guys. Check you out.
Them can't stop the success, even if them try them best. Want them a thing I never listen to who they send threat. You hear me? Yo man, bad comes the roughness in this world of life and death. Nothing me witness one hurt, so me never let me go now. Me bulletproof vest. Hard work I put in from night till sun. I'm just a work for feed my family.